The art contest. In a small town, there was a girl named Emma who loved to paint. One day, her school announced an art contest. The winner would have their painting displayed in the town hall. Emma was excited and wanted to join. Emma decided to paint a beautiful sunset over the lake. She got her brushes, paints, and a big canvas. Every afternoon after school, she worked hard on her painting. She mixed colors to create bright oranges, deep purples, and soft pinks. One day, her friend Leo came to visit. "What are you painting?" he asked, looking at the colorful canvas. "It's a sunset. I want to enter it in the art contest," Emma replied. "Can I help?" Leo asked. Emma smiled and said, "Sure. You can paint too." They set up a table outside in the garden. Leo chose to paint a big tree with green leaves. They laughed and talked while they painted. Emma felt happy to share her art with Leo. As the days passed, Emma finished her sunset painting. It looked beautiful. The colors blended perfectly, and she was proud of her work. On the day of the contest, Emma and Leo took their paintings to school. The hall was filled with amazing art from other students. Emma felt a little nervous but also excited. When the judges came, they looked at each painting carefully. After a while, they announced the winner. The winner is Emma with her beautiful sunset painting. Emma was shocked and thrilled. She ran up to receive her prize. "Thank you," she said, smiling. Leo cheered for her, and they took a picture with her painting. That night, Emma's painting was hung in the town hall. She felt proud and happy. "I couldn't have done it without you," she told Leo. They promised to paint together again. Emma learned that sharing her passion with friends made her success even sweeter. "I've prepared a few questions, and I'll give you 10 seconds to think of the answer. Then, I'll give you the correct answer. Ready? Let's begin. Question 1. What did Emma decide to paint for the contest? A. A big tree. B. A sunset over the lake. C. A mountain. Question 2. Where was Emma's painting displayed after she won? A. At her school. B. In the town hall. C. In the library. Question 3. Who helped Emma with painting? A. Her friend Leo. B. Her teacher. C. Her sister. Question 4. How did Emma feel when she won the contest? A. Sad. B. Nervous. C. Proud. Question 5. What did Emma learn by the end of the story? A. Painting alone is best. B. Sharing with friends makes success sweeter. C. Winning is everything.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.